So Vivo is not just gearing up for its ultimate camera smartphone, the Vivo X300 Ultra, but there will also be a flagship tablet, the Vivo Pad 6 Pro. And guess what? You don't have to wait, as I already got almost all the key details of the tablet. So let's begin. So the tablet has just been spotted on the 3C certification website. And going by that, the Vivo Pad 6 Pro will support up to 90 watt fast charging speed, which is a fairly fast speed compared to its top competitors, and also a good jump over its predecessor's 66 watt. Unfortunately, its battery capacity is still unknown, but for reference, the Vivo Pad 5 Pro came with a 12,050 mAh battery. So hopefully the upcoming Pad 6 Pro will offer the same or most likely even a higher battery capacity. Moving on, talking about the display, as per the known tipster Digital Chat Station, the Pad 6 Pro will have a big 13 inches display, same as its predecessor. However, when it comes to chipset, as per the leakster, we are gonna see a big change. So unlike its predecessor, which used Mediatek Dimensity 9400 last year, the upcoming Vivo Pad 6 Pro will go for Qualcomm's current flagship chip, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. So we can expect a top-notch performance from the Vivo Pad 6 Pro. Anyway, the Vivo Pad 6 Pro is likely to debut sometime in March alongside the Vivo X300 Ultra and the X300 Max smartphones. And quite possibly, we will get more details on the devices before the launch. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.